Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this donut chart with a progress bar in Microsoft Excel. Over here you can see we have this donut chart, also called progress chart, and simply putting a different percentage like 90, it would change the percentage progress. Let me change it to 20%, enter, and there you go. So let's see how we can make it. First, let's go over here and write a percentage like 30, and over here I'm gonna write is equal 1 minus percentage and press enter, and this is the part that hasn't been completed so far, and let's write percentage progress over here. So simply insert is equal, choose this option, press enter, and there we go. Now simply highlight this part like this, go to insert tab, in the charts group choose this particular option, donut. Click over here and there is our chart. Go to format option. I'm going to make the outline as none. Now simply click on this particular part that shows the incompleteness of your work and go to shape fill, and let's choose this light gray background. Again click over here and choose this part that corresponds to completion of the work and go to fill option, and I'm gonna choose this dark blue color. Let's remove these legends and I'm gonna name it progress chart. Just to show the percentage inside the chart, let's go to insert tab, and from the shapes let's choose text box, drag it inside the donut chart, and let's write our percentage. In order to insert our percentage over here, simply go over here, press is equal, and now click on percentage, press enter, and there we have our percentage inserted right into our progress chart. Let me increase its size like this. Remove the outline, simply click over it, go to shape format and choose no outline. Bring it into the middle, and there we have our progress chart ready. Let me go over here and change the percentage to, let's say, 60%. I'm going to insert 60, press enter, and there you go. It's working perfectly. So that was all about the progress chart. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.